So today we are in the fitting shop and here we learned some of the skills which are very valuable for the mechanical engineering. Operations like hacksawing, filing, drilling, reaming, threading, etc. are very important in the fields of assembling and maintenance. So today we are making this job to illustrate these operations. So this job is in two parts. One part is T and we call the other part as U. So the part T we are making today, and here are the tools and instruments which we are going to use in this job. So here we have this, we call it a file. It's a rough file, or we call it bastard file to be precise. And this is smooth half round file. It's a square file to make shouldering. It's like this. We fit it here. And there is a triangular file just to empty the corners so that there is no interference with the other part, U part. And we have scriber for marking lines. There is T rule and tri-square for checking right angles. And there is a drill. These are punches for marking. We call them prick punches. There is a ball peen hammer. And here is the vernier caliper for linear measurement. Hacksaw for sawing, and here we have a vernier height gauge is placed on a granite top surface plate, and this is the angle plate for supporting our workpiece. So we will put the workpiece here like this, and we will use the side gauge for marking. So this we will show in the subsequent time. T part of the job,
which is a square fitting job.
It's a part of the square fitting job like this. So we are making T today. So we will cut the raw material from this given 50 into 6 mm flat. So now we'll do marking and then cut the raw material for this workpiece. Please cut, mark and cut.
The final dimensions are 34 and we are taking it 36.
Right.
So now he will be cutting with the help of hacksaw. So into this cutting operation, the forward stroke is cutting stroke and the return stroke is idle stroke.
So here is the raw material for our workpiece. We have kept 2 mm allowance for filing on all sides. So now we'll begin with filing 2 adjacent sides to make it a rectangle.
So now this is the filing operation. So this operation is performed to make the one surface straight.
The cause of this?
Now he is filing the adjoining side, the adjacent side, adjacent edge. So to make the T part, we have to convert it into a perfect rectangle of 48 by 34. This one is the raw material size 48 by 34, and it is to be converted into this T section. Now he will check the straightness using the tri-square.
Right.
We have to ensure that there should be two sides are
right angle to each other.
perfectly 90
So
degree.
now we'll proceed to make the other 2 sides right angle to each other.
So all the 4 sides should be at 90 degree. So now another edge is being held into the bench vise.
At the same time, we'll ensure that the final dimensions are 48 by 34.
Okay.
And finally, we check by vernier caliper, the dimensions are okay.
बस
ਇੱਥੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਹੈਵੀ ਘੱਟ ਹੈ ਇਧਰਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਨਾ, ਇਹ ਕਲੀਨ
now he will check the straightness once again of this side with the help of tri-square.
ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰੋ ਸਰ।
Right,
Now
so
you can see two right sides are at perfect right angle to each other. Now the last side,
fourth side edge. Start that. Now the fourth edge is almost complete. Now once again he will check the straightness using the tri-square for this fourth side also, side edge. Sure. Now the filing is complete, I think. Now we have to check two things. One is straightness and second is the size. Size should be 48 by 34.
just slight difference in right angle.
Slight difference.
Yeah, right angle.
So we have to once again file at the right corner of this job. Now once again checking the straightness. Now I think it is okay.
Yes.
Now check the final dimensions using the vernier calipers.
Fine file level. Fine file level. Fine file level.
You can take the fine file, yes. Now he is deburring all over with the help of fine file.
Next one.
Next side. Now he is checking the final dimensions 48 by 34. Sir, how much is this?
रीडिंग दिखा दो, कैलिपर तो रीडिंग दिखा दो.
This is 48. Okay. So the other side, it is how much? 34.
34.
Okay. So size is okay. Start.
Now we'll mark the workpiece for cutting T. So we'll use vernier height gauge.
So this is the T part which we have
The
to
T
create.
part. We'll make marking for the T part now. Good.
So this is the vernier height gauge.
चले 0 में सर.
Here it is 0.
हाँ जी. 14 मिलीमीटर.
14 mm. Okay. Show me once more.
14.
14 mm. So with the help of vernier height gauge, he has marked this dimensions for the T. 14 mm on each side.
And now we will firm up these lines by using the prick punch.
Okay, let's do it.
चलो prick punching करो.
Now we are fitting into the bench wise to cut at the marked punches, marked plate according to marking.
लाइट भी कट है.
Now he is cutting the other side.
So this is our job now. After sawing off the extra material. So this is the rough T before filing. So now we are starting with the filing of the sides and corners of this T.
सर 14.
14.
14.
Now he is finishing the corners with the help of the square file.
Right. So the operation is soldering.
Now once again he is finishing with the help of the square file, the shouldering operation to finish the corners. For fine finishing he is using
देखो सर की कितना
hacksaw.
कॉर्नर खाली कर देते हैं.
The corners are being cleared for the extra material with the help of hacksaw,
Interfere with the juice.
because it has to fit into the U part. It is a square fitting job, so the corners should be clear. Both the corners are clear. Now we are checking the size of it.
20.
The size
20.
20.
this size is 20.
देखो
20.
20 done. And here it is 14.
14.
This we have already measured.
14.
This is again 14. So now this is the complete
हाँ जी इधर
T part.
48.
This should be 48. Yes, this is 48.
36.
34.
34.
Except for the finish filing from the sides. So that we will do at the end of the operation. This will be the last operation when we have made T as well as U and will file them together.
So
That will be the last
this
operation.
practical is complete now.
Right. This practical is complete now.